Hi everyone, this is Marvel Watch and my name is Kane. She-Hulk Attorney-at-Law's first episode dropped yesterday on Disney+. It's a half-hour legal comedy created by Jessica Gao that stars Tatiana Maslany as the title character and Mark Ruffalo as a cousin Bruce Banner, aka the Hulk. I watched it early yesterday, had a few hours to think about it, and want to give you some of my first impressions on the show, on what to expect from it. First of all, it's funny. You may think that's a given as it's a comedy, but considering how little I laugh watching comedy shows these days, I don't feel like it is. I did laugh during this show, which makes me think that it is indeed funny, so I'm looking forward to more of that. Tatiana Maslany is an excellent lead. I mean, many of us have already known that from Orphan Black, but it's confirmed that she can do comedy too. Yeah, I'm not belittling her comedic chops as seen on Orphan Black, it's just that a full-blown comedy is another animal, and not everyone can do both drama and comedy. Maslany can. I'm really happy with the acting in the first episode. Maslany and Ruffalo have great chemistry and work well with and against each other. Most of the first episode was about their relationship and the Hulk nature of things, so this is what I got. Jennifer Walters does insist that the show is a lawyer show. We have seen very little of that in the first episode, so I've put a question mark behind how much of it will actually be legal and how much will be hero. I hope for a lot of legal, because I like lawyer shows and courtroom dramas and all that. I hope they find a good balance, just like Jennifer will have to find a balance with how much She-Hulk she wants in her life. The first episode was very nostalgic, referencing Tony Stark a lot, but also Steve and Natasha. This was all linked, of course, to Bruce/Smart Hulk. He takes Jen to this place that has a lot of memories for him with his buddy Tony, and Jennifer is also curious about some things concerning superheroes. I actually think it's overdone a little, but I don't suppose there will be too much of it once Jennifer settles back into her life. I don't think Bruce will drop by frequently to check on her and tell her more about his old friends. What I gathered from the first episode, there might be a recurring battle of the sexist theme to this show. It's very prominent in the first episode with Hulk and She-Hulk and the way they compete, but also hinted at in Jen's work relationship with her male colleague and her encounter with those three would-be rapists after the accident. I'm not sure I'm looking forward to that should it persist. I will always cheer for feminism, but I don't need outdated heteronormative themes hitting me over the head. Captain Marvel said she doesn't need to prove herself to no man, and I think that goes double for She-Hulk. But I don't want to condemn the whole show on a notion I have of what might happen. I think overall the show is really good. It's not my favorite yet, and I doubt that will happen, but I'm not above being surprised. It's certainly worth a watch, so go, do that. Thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe, and whatever else you want to do. I hope you enjoy She-Hulk Attorney-at-Law. Be safe, and watch Marvel.